Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is make. 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 Let's look at our picture. This person has a hammer and he is hitting a nail. He is making something. Maybe he's making a box, or maybe he's hanging a picture on his wall, making his room pretty. I was feeling hungry this morning, so I decided to make a smoothie. Now, you guys can make lots of things. I'm going to show you some things you can make with a scarf. You can make a hat. You can make a superhero cape. Da-da-da. You can make a flower. Roll it around your hand, and look, you made a flower. Or you can make a ball. Squeeze it and squish it until you make a tiny ball. The word of the week is make. Make. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week. Make sure that you check out the PDF for this week's word of the week so that you can work different activities into your week to work on the word make. Hope you have a great week again. Bye.